Hi, I'm Felix, and I'm here to make you richer. Not with shortcuts, not with lottery tickets, and definitely not with the kind of advice that sounds exciting but quietly destroys your future. I'm here to make you richer in the way that actually works. Because the truth is, money isn't magic. It isn't reserved for a secret club of financial geniuses. And it's not something only lucky people understand. Money follows rules. Simple rules. Predictable rules. Rules that most people ignore. And when you understand those rules, something interesting happens. You stop feeling confused about money. You stop feeling like the system is impossible to win. And you start seeing opportunities everywhere. Because wealth is not built in one big moment. It's built in thousands of small decisions. The decision to save instead of spend. The decision to invest instead of wait. The decision to think long-term, while everyone else is chasing short-term excitement. Most people believe money is complicated. They think you need complex spreadsheets, secret stock tips, or a degree in finance. But that's not true. In reality, the people who quietly build wealth usually follow a few simple principles. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Be patient. Avoid stupid mistakes. Repeat for a long time. That's it. No magic. No secret formula. Just discipline and time. But here's the problem. Our world is built to make you do the opposite. Every advertisement tells you to buy more. Every social media post tells you to show off more. Every new trend promises quick money with zero effort. And slowly, without realizing it, people fall into the same trap. They work harder. They earn more. But somehow, they never become wealthy. Because income alone does not create wealth. Behavior does. And that's what this channel is about. Understanding the psychology of money. Learning the rules wealthy people quietly follow. Avoiding the financial mistakes that destroy most future. We will talk about investing. But we'll also talk about something even more important. How to think about money. Because once your thinking changes, everything else changes with it. Suddenly saving becomes easier. Investing becomes logical. And building wealth stops feeling impossible. You don't need to become obsessed with money. But you do need to understand it. Because whether you like it or not, money shapes your freedom. It decides where you live. How you spend your time. What choices you have. And most importantly, what choices you don't. The good news is that building wealth is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. You don't need the perfect investment. You need a long-term strategy. You don't need to predict every market movement. You need patience. And you definitely don't need to be a financial genius. You just need to avoid the mistakes that keep most people stuck. That's why this channel exists. To simplify money. To remove the noise. And to show you the timeless principles that quietly build real wealth. Because once you understand how money truly works, you stop chasing it. And you start building it. So if you want to become smarter with money, if you want to build real financial stability, and if you want to create a future where money works for you instead of controlling you, you're in the right place. Because I'm Felix. And I'm here to make you richer.